It's time for our Rethinking Retirement segment, and we're welcoming back Marvin Mitchell, the founder and president of Compass Retirement Solutions. Marvin, we're talking about life insurance to grow your wealth. How does that work? We see these commercials all the time on TV, hear them on radio about life insurance. Is that good or bad when you're planning for retirement?
Great question. The first thing to understand is that there are different types of life insurance. When you see those commercials with the cheap $5 life insurance, number one, it's not completely honest, but that's a whole other story. What they're talking about is term insurance. Now, term insurance, what that means is that it's temporary insurance. So let's just say if it's 5 years or 10 years or 20 years, when a term is up, it expires. Only 3% of term insurance policies are actually executed. The other type of life insurance is going to be what's called permanent life insurance. So it could be whole life, could be index universal life, but it's permanent, which means it will last throughout the rest of your life. Now, the premiums are more. However, most of that money goes to the cash value. Now, I'm going to tell you a secret, Dan. Most people at this stage may not need life insurance, but many people want life insurance. Why would you want it? Well, there are different strategies inside of these life insurance policies, secrets that you can actually protect yourself against rising taxes because the cash value will be completely tax-free. There are also opportunities to borrow against these policies and use it for income while the policy continues to grow, as if you never touched it. Have $100,000, it still grows even though you borrowed against it because you didn't take the money, you just used it as collateral and you borrowed against it. Also, there are no loss guarantees and you can pay it back. There are no income limits. So there are a lot of strategies inside of this cash value that a lot of my clients use because they can borrow against it and have a completely tax-free retirement. It's like a Roth IRA on steroids.
Right, there you go. Yeah. So there are some benefits to life insurance. And Marvin, your book, Retire Early, gets into the pros and cons of life insurance.
It does. It does. It tells you not only some of the different types of life insurance, but it also goes into when is it right for you? When is it not right for you? And should you even, not everybody can qualify. So it talks about those things. You can actually get that book by visiting RethinkingRetirement.net. And this is everything that you need to know about having a long life and peaceful life in retirement. So get the book today, RethinkingRetirement.net.
Yeah, what a great resource to use for planning your retirement. That's Marvin Mitchell, founder and president of Compass Retirement Solutions.
Thank you,
Marvin,
Dan.
thanks so much for being with us.
Appreciate you. You have a great day.
All right, you too. I'm Dan Gray.